Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. So as you know by the title, it is about a day in my life at uni. I know I'm back after a very long time, but yeah, let's ignore that. So it's currently 5 in the morning and my bus comes at like 6:15, so I have to quickly get ready and get to my stop. I'll see you once I'm done. Okay guys, so I am ready and I'm actually getting late, so I'll see you in the bus. So I'm going to my stop to get my bus and it is so dark. So I got my bus and now, as you can see, I'm so tired, I'm gonna sleep. Finally here at uni. Gotta go to my classroom. My uni is literally Christmas ready. They're all ready and set for Christmas. So this is my classroom. I am early. I'm always the first one. The sunrise is so beautiful. Wow. Quick fit check. So I did my first lesson and I'm here for my meeting. We were preparing for shout out today. So this is how the shout out started, and if you're wondering what this was about, it was like we're coming up with an event, CDC Fun Fest, so it was about that. Then there was us coordinators having fun at the back, cause why not? After I was done with the shout out, I had to quickly go to the auditorium to attend this session where we had a Schneer Rover with us.
बट आपको कभी फील ही नहीं होगी, वो थकान ही नहीं होगी, कभी ऐसा होएगा नहीं कि मेरे से सुबह उठे नहीं जा रहा.
After this session, I got my bus and here I am going home. Hey guys, so I'm back home and look what my brother got me. Ice cream. So I'm gonna eat my ice cream and enjoy. So basically today it was like a very hectic day because all I did was like attended one lesson and then I had a meeting to attend, then shout outs, and then I had to go to the auditorium for a shower, and then I was back home. That's it. I think I should make another a day in my life where I'm actually attending all my lectures, but today I did not get the time to do that. So yeah, uni is fun, I guess. Bye. And if you want to see a campus tour, just comment down below. I would like to do that as well.